Did you know Bruce Lee's ancestral home is right here in Guangzhou's Yongqingfang? Let's take a walk through this iconic heritage spot.
Li Xiaolong 住居. Wow. So this is where Li Xiaolong live. Okay. So this is the place where Bruce Lee stays. 家事 Mead Hall. 香馆 Intangible Cultural Heritage. Guangzhou Make Furniture. So, it's like Bruce Lee. And then I believe these are history. Brandon Lee, okay, Bruce Lee's son. Linda Lee, okay, Bruce Lee's wife. Taki Kimura, Bruce Lee's disciple. Chuck Norris, Bruce Lee good friend. Stephen Chow, 周星驰，还有成龙。Muhammad Ali World Boxing King. Wow, they have it all here. So let's see. So he was born in 1940. 传奇人生 1949, 1956. So in September, he's transferred to the St. Francis College in Hong Kong. 1949. Liwan, so it's supposed to be left from right. 48, 50, 51, 53, 54. In March 14, 1957, the film Thunderstorm was released, in which he played the second young master. Is it Zhuo Zong? I think so. So he's actually started with acting since very young. And all the way in March 3, 1960, the film The Orphan he starred in was premiered in Hong Kong and won a great success. April the first. Interesting. So 1963, all the way the number of accomplishment 1964, 65, 1966 the Green Hornet. Yeah, I remember that show. 67, 68. 1970, in August, he suffered limbar spine injury during the bed rest. He wrote the manuscript of Bruce Lee's 1971. So, 1973, Enter the Dragon. And this is the family tree of Bruce Lee. Okay, interesting. I like this word. Guys, knowing is not enough. We must apply. Stephanie. Willing is not enough. We must do. Balance, flexibility, overcome self-consciousness. Wow. Long, Yong, Su. So good. So what? I can climb upstairs though. Knowing is not enough, we must apply. Willing is not enough, we must do. From Bruce Lee. Okay. Go up to the second floor. Check this out. Oh my gosh, his famous nunchaku, nunchucks, the double barrel and the triple barrel.
上了这一请上。
上一个楼就完了，对吧？你们就完上好。So we are heading up towards the second floor. This is where they live on the second floor. Wow. Okay, there's the ceiling. So this is the, I believe these are the nunchucks. Breaking the yellow barrel. I think this is like somebody do striding over here. No striding. 双目离手 close the eyes and feel by him. 双节棍，双击棍，紧棍度，无影拳。
双目离手，无影拳，勾肉手，高踢腿膀，第三脚寸拳，截拳道，搓筋骨，这个功夫，
截拳道。
Bruce Lee life's philosophy. Using no weight as weight. Wow. Let your mind be like water without bondage.
shapeless, like water. Now you put water into a cup, it becomes the cup. You put water into a bottle, it becomes the bottle. You put it in a teapot, it becomes the cup. Water can flow, or it can crack. Water.
So this is basically Bruce Lee house. Very interesting, guys. I'm gonna end the thing here because it's right at the corner of the whole place. This place is fantastic. It's gonna get the address for you guys and then you guys can see about it.
Subscribe to NBS Travel for more tips. Safe travels.